家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song here on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and we got music from the Hakka artist Kapoli and this song called Lao Ni Xiong Pan, which actually means being together with you. It is inspired by two love stories, one about a man who traveled to Indonesia seeking love, and the other about someone whose relationships repeatedly encountered issues related back to sickness. Ultimately, both main characters find their partners. So let's take a listen to this story through the vocals of this Golden Melody nominated Hakka artist. Her name is Kapoli Huang Zijia, and this song called Lao Ni Xiong Pan.这首歌叫做老你熊潘，也就是和你相伴的意思，曾获得了113年台湾原创流行音乐客语组的首奖。创作灵感呢是来自于两段爱情故事，其一是为爱远赴印尼的舅舅，因此歌曲中呢有加入了印尼语的口白；另外是一位感情屡屡受挫的朋友，而最后两位主角的身边都有理想的伴侣出现。我们来继续听黄志佳诉说不同的人生故事吧。
快乐，老你熊潘，欢迎收听电台前，梦爱跟着那属于年年。
Just like the song title, we thank you for being with us all the time. Lao Ni Xiong Pan. Again, that is music by Kapoli. Thank you for listening. My name is Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.